Stop sign. The stop sign is arguably the most recognizable traffic control device on the road. The bright red background and 8-sided octagon shape were specifically chosen to ensure it grabs your attention instantly, no matter the weather. The law requires a complete halt at the limit line, not a rolling stop. No U-turn sign. A no U-turn sign explicitly bans drivers from swinging their vehicle around to travel in the opposite direction. U-turns can unexpectedly block the flow of traffic and create massive blind spots. Engineers place these bans in areas with poor visibility or where the speed limit makes the maneuver far too risky. Yield sign. A yield sign requires you to slow down and give the right-of-way to cross traffic. You don't necessarily have to stop if the path is entirely clear, which helps keep traffic moving efficiently. Its downward-pointing triangular design is unique, built specifically to catch the driver's eye and prevent collisions at busy merge points and roundabouts. No right turn sign. Similar to its counterpart, this sign stops drivers from turning right. It is frequently deployed in urban areas to protect busy pedestrian crosswalks, or at awkward intersections where making a right turn would cause you to enter a one-way street going the wrong direction. Speed limit sign. A speed limit sign displays the absolute maximum speed legally permitted under ideal driving conditions. These numbers aren't random, engineers calculate them based on road curves, visibility, and crash data. Standard limits were introduced to drastically cut down on accidents and give drivers more reaction time. Do not enter sign. Often paired with one-way streets and highway exit ramps, the do not enter sign acts as a strict barrier. Its bold white square and red circle design serves as a glaring visual wall, preventing vehicles from mistakenly driving against the flow of traffic and risking a head-on collision. No pedestrian crossing. This sign explicitly bans pedestrians from walking across the roadway. You will typically see this near interstate ramps, high-speed multi-lane highways, or complex intersections where drivers simply do not have the time or visibility to stop for foot traffic. Railroad crossing sign. A railroad crossing sign is a critical warning that you are approaching active train tracks. Because trains carry immense momentum and take miles to completely stop, a collision here is often catastrophic. Standardizing these signs globally drastically reduced the high rate of accidents seen in early rail networks. No parking sign. A no parking sign dictates that you cannot leave your vehicle unattended in that specific zone. You are usually allowed to pause temporarily to load or unload passengers, but these rules are essential to maintain clear fire lanes, ensure intersection visibility, and prevent narrow streets from clogging. One-way sign. A one-way sign indicates that all traffic on the designated street travels in a single direction. This simple rule drastically cuts down on intersection collisions and brings order to dense downtown areas. Without these directional controls, driving through narrow city streets would be a gridlock nightmare. No left turn sign. This sign prohibits vehicles from making a left-hand turn at an intersection. It is commonly used at incredibly busy intersections where waiting to turn left would block a through lane, causing massive traffic backups, or where crossing multiple lanes of oncoming traffic is statistically too dangerous. No standing sign. A no standing sign is significantly stricter than a no parking sign. It means you cannot halt your vehicle at all, even if you remain in the driver's seat with the engine running, unless you are actively and immediately picking up or dropping off a passenger. It is designed to keep heavily congested lanes continuously moving. Keep right sign. A keep right sign instructs drivers to navigate to the right side of an upcoming physical barrier, like a traffic island or highway median. It guarantees that vehicles flowing into a divided roadway do so in a uniform, organized manner, stopping drivers from accidentally turning into oncoming traffic lanes. HOV lane sign. An HOV, or high occupancy vehicle lane sign, identifies highway lanes restricted to cars carrying multiple passengers. Introduced to combat severe rush hour gridlock, these lanes incentivize carpooling and public transit. Because solo drivers are banned from entering, HOV lanes often bypass heavy traffic jams entirely. No passing zone sign. This yellow, pennant-shaped sign is unique because it is posted on the left side of a two-way road. It makes it illegal to cross the center line to overtake a slower vehicle. These are strategically placed in areas with severe blind spots, such as steep hills or sharp curves, where you cannot see oncoming traffic. Wrong way sign. A wrong way sign is an urgent, glaring red warning that you are driving directly into oncoming traffic. Usually posted alongside highway off-ramps, it is meant to trigger an immediate, emergency stop. Catching a driver's attention with this sign is absolutely critical to preventing fatal accidents. Sharp turn sign. A sharp turn sign cautions drivers about an upcoming curve that is too tight to navigate at the posted speed limit. Before modern highways blasted through mountains, old roads naturally followed the twisting contours of the land. These signs warn drivers of blind bends to prevent vehicles from sliding off the road. Slippery road sign. Featuring a car with squiggly tire tracks, this sign alerts you to sections of asphalt that lose severe traction during rain, snow, or ice. Even roads that look completely dry can become treacherous if oil or loose gravel is present. It serves as a reminder to ease off the accelerator when conditions change. Pedestrian crossing sign. A pedestrian crossing sign alerts you to upcoming crosswalks where people on foot might enter the roadway. It serves as a visual reminder that streets are a shared space, reflecting a shift in urban planning that made foot traffic safety a top priority. School zone sign. A school zone sign signals that you are approaching an educational campus where children are frequently present. Drivers are legally obligated to drop their speed, often during specific hours. As yellow school buses and parent drop-offs became the norm, these strict zones were introduced to protect vulnerable kids. Merge sign. A merge sign warns that an adjacent lane is ending and two streams of traffic will soon combine into one. It gives drivers ample time to adjust their speed and weave together seamlessly. Safely executing a merge relies heavily on driver awareness and mutual cooperation. Lane end sign. A lane end sign gives advance notice that your current travel lane is about to run out. This crucial warning allows you to safely signal and shift into the continuing lane before you run out of asphalt. Without this heads-up, drivers would be forced into aggressive, last-second swerves. Dead end sign. A dead end sign notifies drivers that the street they are turning onto does not connect to another throughway. It saves motorists the frustration of navigating deep into residential neighborhoods only to get stuck in a cul-de-sac with very little room to safely turn around. Hill/steep grade sign. Showing a truck tilting downward, this sign warns drivers of a steep decline ahead. It is incredibly important for heavy commercial vehicles, as riding the brakes down a long hill can cause them to overheat and fail. It prompts drivers to downshift to a lower gear for engine braking. Deer crossing sign. This sign warns drivers that they are entering an area where wildlife frequently crosses the road. Deer are incredibly unpredictable and often travel in groups, especially at dawn and dusk. Striking a deer at highway speeds can cause devastating damage to a vehicle and serious injury to passengers. Divided highway begin sign. This warning sign indicates that the road ahead will split, with opposing traffic separated by a physical barrier or median. It visually reminds the driver to stay to the right of the divider to ensure they don't accidentally drive onto the wrong side of the new highway layout. Divided highway end sign. The opposite of the previous sign, this warns that the physical median is ending and you are returning to a standard two-way road. It is a critical heads-up that oncoming traffic will soon be separated only by a painted line, requiring heightened driver focus. Low clearance sign. Displaying a specific height measurement, this sign warns of an upcoming bridge, overpass, or tunnel with restricted vertical space. While passenger cars rarely need to worry, ignoring the sign is a frequent and costly mistake for truck drivers and RV owners, leading to vehicles getting wedged underneath bridges.